The Additel 686 series is a gauge unlike anything else on the market. This complete line of advanced digital pressure gauges offers 4 different accuracy classes and over 50 different pressure ranges, starting as low as 1 inch of water and offering up to 60,000 psi. Additel's 686 gauges feature a large color touchscreen display, which comes with a protective, replaceable, tempered glass screen. With an easy-to-navigate menu structure, you will find these gauges simple, yet powerful to use. The ADT 686 elegantly incorporates an easy-to-access menu structure, where nearly all information is a short touch away. Each gauge features 6 digits of resolution in an easy-to-see format. The pressure range scale on the outside of the display gives a quick visual indication of how the measured pressure is changing and what the pressure is relative to the full-scale range of the gauge. The Additel 686 digital pressure gauges contain a built-in barometer sensor, which allows for pressure reading to be displayed in gauge pressure or absolute pressure by selecting a simple menu selection. Pressure can be displayed in at least 30 different selectable pressure units depending on gauge range. 5 of the 30 selectable units are easily customizable. Each gauge has an optional data logging option that allows for more than 100 million records to be stored internal to the gauge's memory. Download the logged data with our free Additel Land software, or you can purchase our Additel Log 2 for real-time logging and data analysis. Logging information can be displayed graphically on the screen of the ADT 686. When ordering the data logging function, the Additel 686 comes with a task feature, allowing for you to set up and record data for other pressure devices. Each task and set of results can be saved internal to the gauge's memory. Each unit comes standard with Bluetooth and USB Type-C communications. Optionally, every Additel 686 gauge may be configured with Wi-Fi or RS-232 communications. Every Additel 686 gauge has an IP67 rating, meaning it is completely protected from solid particles, dust, and can be fully immersed in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. Other features include fully compensated pressure accuracy over the temperature range of 0 to 50 degrees Celsius, user-defined stability indication, user-programmable pressure alarms, overpressure warning when the gauge reaches 120% of range, leak test, snapshot, and tare function. Every unit is shipped with an NIST traceable NavLab accredited certificate of calibration with data. For more information about this product or other amazing Additel products, please visit us at additel.com.